This isn't just a sink, it's a piece of history, a relic from the days when washing dishes wasn't just a chore, it was an event. But when the new owners found it buried in a barn, they saw something different. Junk. Let's rip it out. And that's where the trouble began. It was a classic farmhouse standoff. On one side, let's get a shiny new stainless steel sink that works. On the other, this sink has been here for 100 years. It stays. Cue the debates, the eye rolls, and a few loud sighs. It got heated, really heated. Enter us, the referees, the sink whisperers, the people who said, why not both? Because we don't just fix old sinks. We make them better than new. This farmer's sink had stories to tell. Thousands of vegetables washed, milk spilled, maybe even a baby or two bathed. But those stories had left their mark. Stains, chips, and a few questionable smells. We stripped it down to its core, rebuilt its beauty, and gave it a finish so tough it'll last another 100 years. When it was done, we brought the family back. And let's just say the doubters had a change of heart. The gleaming white interior, perfection, the soft matte finish on the apron front, chef's kiss. The sink wasn't just functional, it was a masterpiece. Turns out you can have history and style. And as for the one who called it junk, they're eating their words, probably while washing dishes in this sink.